Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bat Caleb Consulting. Praise Yahweh. Let's get started. Today, we are doing business growth for 2026. But what we're going to talk about is what we're going to do differently for 2026. Let's go. And as always, we start off with a scripture, Agai chapter 1, verses 7 and 8. Thus said Yahweh of hosts, consider your ways. Go up to the mountain and bring wood, and build a house, and I will take pleasure in it, and I will be glorified, said Yahweh. When the people of Israel saw little return from their labor, Yahweh didn't curse their work, He redirected it. He told them to rebuild with purpose, not routine. The same applies to your business today. When growth stalls, it's not always failure. Sometimes it's a signal for you to redirect, realign. All right, so we're going to reflect on 2025 and identify what didn't work. Before we can grow differently, we must honestly assess what held us back. Ask yourself these reflective questions. Did you rely more on effort than on the divine strategy? Was the marketing clear about who you serve and why? Did you track your data and results consistently? Did you neglect rest, structure, or delegation? Create a stop, start, continue list for your business. Stop actions that drain time but didn't produce fruit because looking busy and being busy is two different things. Start new strategies that's aligned with 2026 trends like AI, automation, customer retention, and continue what worked consistently and build on that. So if you're tracking it and you're checking your data, you can tell what was working. And what was working for 2025, use it in 2026, but build on it. Build on it. Next video will show you how to build a 2026 blueprint centered on efficiency and focus. Thanks for watching. Email us at botcolebconsultant@gmail.com or consultant@botcolebconsultant.com. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We are your resident business consultant showing you strategies that will help you go from 0 to 1 and build year after year until you achieve the wealth that you would like. Bye.